Professions you can explore on Sabu First.
Looking for the right career path or a new job opportunity? Whether you're a fresh graduate or a seasoned professional, Sabu First is your go-to platform to explore real jobs across every profession. Sabu First connects job seekers with verified employers across a variety of industries. From healthcare to IT, education to construction, we've got it all covered. Let's take a look at just some of the exciting professions you'll find here.